Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where I talk to you guys about my Samsung S23 Ultra and my kind of 1 month update, because I have had it for a month, which is kind of crazy. And then I also did get something, but it's not for me, it's gonna be for one of you guys, because we're almost at 13,000 subscribers, which is actually so crazy. So I'll show you guys what's inside this little bag, and then also talk to you guys about my phone and how I'm liking it, pros, cons, all of that good stuff after just 1 month of using it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I think first and foremost, let's talk about this, because I was actually supposed to get this a month ago. It was supposed to come when I got my phone, but they were out of stock. They pre-ordered it for me and said that when it would come in, they would give me a call and I would go pick them up. However, entire month had gone by and I had not heard a single thing about this. Keep in mind, it was already mine, it was pre-ordered, it was under my name, and obviously I wasn't expecting this item within like the week. Even the second week after I purchased this phone, I figured a lot of people were gonna get it and it was gonna be out of stock for a while. I purchased this phone at the beginning of February. I got it like the second week of February. We are now approaching the third week of March, so I was like, okay, I need to get these before they forget about me, before they don't give it to me, etc, etc. So I tried calling the Samsung store, and when I tell you, it was the hardest thing to get in contact with this store. I called them like 50 times within a span of like 3 to 4 days. Like, I was getting so frustrated. Nobody would answer. Like, I could probably call right now. You know what? In fact, I am gonna call right now, and it is 6 p.m. on a random Wednesday. How busy will the store be? Let's see if they answer.
For address and hours of operation, press 1. For service and repair inquiries, press 2. To speak with a sales associate, press 3. For all other inquiries,
please wait while we connect your call.
Thank you for calling the Samsung Experience Store. We are unable to answer your call right now. However, we are available to assist you via telephone at 1-800-SAMSUNG, via email at info@samsungstore.ca, and via an online chat support available at samsung.ca. Thank you.
And it just hangs up on you, which, if you heard in that message, it said chat support. So after like 50 times of calling and numerous days, I was like, you know what, there is no point, I'm not gonna get a hold of this store. So I go on the online chat, I chat it in, I tell them what happens, and obviously I kind of assumed they wouldn't be able to help me. I figured maybe their store system and their online system were different, so they couldn't see like what was happening between like the two store and online kind of thing, and I was absolutely right. So honestly, they gave me a bit of hope because they made it seem like they were gonna help me. I did also take a screenshot of it, so this is what I'm talking about. I was like super excited. I was like, thank you, like they're gonna help me, like finally I can get this. And then they come back and they tell me basically they can't help me, and you know what, at that point I was frustrated. I was like, come on, you're telling me that a store full of phones and technology, like nobody taught them how to pick up the phone? I've been trying for so long and it's just not getting anywhere, and this store is actually not even that close to me. I do have to drive a bit away. I didn't want to just make the drive there and then, you know, waste my time, waste my gas, and then them not have this in stock. That one day I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep trying. So I was trying and trying and trying, and then luckily it went through. And as soon as somebody picked up, I was like, oh my god, I'm like, hey, I want to know if you have the Galaxy Bud 2 Pros in stock. And this person said, yes, they're in stock in the back, but they're reserved for pre-orders. And I was like, well, I have a pre-order and nobody called me to tell me anything about this, that they were in stock. So can you see if, you know, I can go pick up mine, because I do have a pre-order. Gave him all my information. Thankfully, he put me on hold. He was like, let me double check, let me see. And then he was like, yes, yours are here. Did your sales associate call you to let you know that yours are here? I was like, no. Did you not just hear that I've been calling because I want to know where they are? So that was a mess. I stopped rambling, but I just wanted to tell you that experience because it was not a pleasant experience, especially for a store that sells phones. This right here is not for me, it is for you guys. I'm going to be giving it away once I hit 13,000. So when I hit 13,000, I will post another video letting you guys know how to enter and how to win it. But these are the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro by Samsung. Obviously, I will not be opening these, so I can't show you, but this is what the box looks like. These are in the color graphite and they retail for $289.99 Canadian. So once I hit 13,000, one of you guys will be getting this, and I'll also include this little like cute reusable tote bag. I do have like 2 of these already, so I don't need a third one, but I will be like bubble wrapping it and making it all nice and stuff, and then I'll just ship that to one of you guys. So if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. I do have a bunch of other headphones already. Like the most similar ones would be these Kim K ones, which if you haven't seen them, I do have a video reviewing them. I will leave it up over here so you can just click that, but these are them, and I actually really like these, so there's honestly no need for me to keep the Galaxy ones. I'm very happy with this, and also I did get a case off of Amazon. So shout out to you guys in that video. They commented that there was a clear case, because there's actually a clear case on this, which is very handy because I just throw my headphones in my bag. But anyways, that's not why you're here. So let's get down to my phone. Like I said, I've had it for an entire month, and honestly, I stand by this phone case 1000%. I will have it linked in the description. I have raved about it in the other videos that I made when I got this. I don't even know why I bought the other cases, to be honest, because I just feel like this is never leaving my phone. It is so handy, especially for me where I just always have it like this, or honestly when I have a lot of things. I have like a coffee in one hand and like a bunch of things in my other hand, and it's just so convenient. Or if you're out in the mall and you're like looking at things, I have it like this and I'm not even afraid that it's gonna fall, because obviously the strap. I love the color of it too, that it actually matches my phone, and I've gotten used to the orange. At first the orange kind of threw me off because it was so bright, but I actually love that. So 100% would still, without a doubt, recommend this case if you are buying the phone. Definitely just add this to cart and thank me later. As far as my phone goes, the pictures, I am upgrading from an S20 Ultra to the S23. Pictures are absolutely phenomenal. I'm so amazed by not only the back camera but also the front camera. 10 out of 10, amazing. Again, I do have more videos showing you more in depth, but this is just going to be like a quick kind of video of how I feel now that I've had it for a month. I still do use it on the highest resolution for the screen, and the battery is still lasting amazing. I only charge it like once every 24 hours, and I'm on my phone a lot as a content creator. I'm always on my phone doing things, or I'm calling my boyfriend, I'm texting him, like I'm just always on my phone. The last time I actually charged my phone was yesterday morning, and right now it is 6:18 p.m. the next day, and my phone is actually at 18%, so it's gonna die soon. Right now, after I'm done this, I'm gonna plug it in. I still have my S Pen with the same sound. I still have my pointer, which I'll show you guys on the screen. It is still that cute little heart, but Pentastic, which is this one. I'm showing you guys how to do that. So it is still the little heart, but there are other options. I did, as you can see, use my dog for once. You do that, and it's his cute little face with a tongue, which I thought was so cute. So I did have that for a while, but then I just switched it back to the heart, and I like to put it on the biggest one. And shout out to you guys also that helped me with taking away just his image from a photo. So you guys taught me that all I have to do is hold it down, and then it completely just takes him, and then you can save it like that. And that's how I made him my pointer, by just literally holding it down. It took just him, and then you can go from there. So thank you guys for that tip. And for app wise, colors are very vibrant, pictures look phenomenal, uploading, all of that fun stuff looks great. Videos also great quality. I have zero complaints about this. Also want to mention, somebody did bring up that there was a screen defect on some of the Samsungs. Luckily, thankfully, mine does not qualify for that. Mine is perfect. Even with the screen protector, I can see that nothing is wrong with the screen, which is great. So thankfully, that is something to mention also. If you do have a Samsung S23 Ultra, you probably want to take a look. I think it was the bottom corners that the screens were showing, or any of the corners, but like I said, mine is fine. Screen protector holding up amazing. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other video recommendations or requests regarding my Samsung, or any video recommendations at all, questions also, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe too, so we can hit 13,000 and do the giveaway. Again, I am so thankful for each and every single one of you. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!